Welcome to this well-maintained 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-family home in the heart of Greenacres, where comfort meets practicality. Step inside to a clean, open floor plan that flows effortlessly from room to room, with a mix of tile and wood-look flooring throughout, recessed lighting, and ceiling fans in the main living areas. This home feels bright, modern, and functional. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, light-toned cabinetry, and striking dark countertops complete with a breakfast bar that's perfect for quick meals or casual entertaining. The master suite offers both comfort and convenience, with a bathroom that includes dual sinks and a separate shower for added privacy and ease. Sliding glass doors lead to a tiled patio, an ideal space for outdoor furniture, potted plants, or simply relaxing in the Florida sunshine. Set in an established neighborhood of similar homes, this property offers a neutral color palette and a simple, modern design, giving you a blank canvas to personalize and make your own. Conveniently located near local shops, dining, and major roadways, this home is move-in ready and waiting for your personal touch.